You want to know how to make real money? Instead of working that hard, I'ma tell you how to right now. It works every time, Mastamine. You don't need to get a job, sell coke or rap. There are apps on Google Play Store that you can download, play a game and make big money. Hundreds and fifties, then cash out using PayPal. No fees, no catch, all free. All you have to do is play all day, play all night. Once points is over 200, you can cash out, or you can wait until you reach 1,000. It's very easy, no pain, no stress, no limit. And the sweetest part is there are no boss, just you and the game, making quick money, while others are at 9 to 5 jobs, working their ass off. Tired, stressed out, I quit my job soon as I found out. And for me, I make a living off it, paying my bills, take care of myself, take care of my family, take care of my chicks. I just keep doing it, doing it. It's quick money. Are you all about the money? It's quick money. It's all about the money. It's quick money. Are you all about the money? It's quick money. It's all about the money. It's quick money. Are you all about the money? It's quick money. It's all about the money. It's quick money. Are you all about the money? It's quick money. It's all about the money. Stop what you were doing. Go download these games. Games to make money. Please hurry. Save yourself from poverty, stressed, and all that.